Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Elizabeth Stilson. If you want to know how I make my signature fish stew, then please keep watching. To start with, let me take you through the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. This is my tomato paste, which I made myself using fresh tomatoes. If you want to know how I made it, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll make a video on that. And we'll be using cassava fish. It is already nicely cut and cleaned and washed. And we'll be using our hot pepper, salt, onion, garlic and ginger. Also we'll be using some ginger powder and garlic powder and some mixed spices. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and please share. So we're going to start by seasoning our fish with some salt. We're going to add some garlic powder. Also, we'll add some ginger powder. And finally, some mixed spices. Some mixed spices. So we're gonna give this fish a good toss to ensure that it's well coated with our seasonings. Give it a very good toss and set it aside to marinate for about 10 minutes. And we preheat our pan, add some oil. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice. Make sure your oil is hot and then gently drop your fish into your oil. Do not overcrowd your pan so that you can fry your fish nicely. So whilst our fish is frying, we are blending our ginger, garlic and some onions. Also, we're cutting our onions. I like to cut my onions this way because my kids don't like it when the onions are chunky. So I like to cut them into smaller pieces like this. Or you can cut them with any size that you want, any size that you prefer. So we're gonna go back and check on our fish. Gently turn it so that the other side can also have a very good fry. Whilst you're doing that, please be careful so you don't get burned by the oil. So gently do that. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also comment below. Let me know what you think. If you're new here, once again, please don't forget to subscribe. Support a sister, right? Thank you all once again for watching. And kindly share so that this video can go viral. I will appreciate it so much. So our fish is still frying, and at this point it is ready. Well fried. Look at that. It looks so yummy and it tasted just delicious. So I'm gonna fry the rest of the fish off camera, and I'll get back to you. So our fish is ready. Now look at that. It's beautiful and it tasted very, very, very delicious. So I'm going to use the same oil that I used to fry the fish to start our stew. And at this point, I'm adding my chopped onions. Let it fry for about 5 minutes. Then you add your blended onions, ginger and garlic. At this point, I've added my onion, ginger and garlic blend, and for some reason I didn't film that part, so forgive me. I've added it and I've fried it for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now I'm adding my hot pepper, powdered pepper, powdered pepper, whatever. Give it a good stir and leave it to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then you're ready to add your tomato paste. Like I said before, this is not a canned tomato paste. I made this tomato paste myself using fresh tomatoes and some bell peppers and a little onion. Let me know in the comment section if you want to know how I made my tomato paste. I do this and I put it in the fridge. Whenever I'm ready to cook, I just bring it out. It makes cooking so easy and quick. Very, very easy. You know how it is when you have to blend tomatoes and use it fresh like that. It takes a very long time to cook. And well, time no day. We do not have that luxury of time to sit down and wait for minutes or hours for the stew to get cooked. This way, I just mix my things and I'm ready to go. You should try it. You will love it and you will thank me later. So you leave your stew to fry for a few minutes. All the while you keep stirring. Please don't leave your stew and go and sit somewhere, otherwise you burn your stew. So at this point, I'm adding my salt to taste, and I'm also adding some shrimp cube. You can use any cube of your choice and give it a good stir. Leave it to fry for a few more minutes. And all the while keep giving it a good stir. So at this point my stew is a little too thick, so I added some water. Please subscribe if you haven't done that yet. And give this video a thumbs up. At this point I'm adding my fish. Yes, and please, when you do, make sure that when you're stirring, you stir very gently. Otherwise, you end up breaking your fish into smaller pieces. We don't want that. We want the fried fish to still be in there as chunk as it is. So you stir gently. All this while, please keep cooking on a medium heat. My supporters right from day one, I thank you all for always coming back to support a sister. I appreciate the love. So at this point, our stew is ready. So you can enjoy this stew with kenkey, with banku, with rice, And I tell you what, these stew tasted so delicious. Try it and let me know what you think in the comment section. I appreciate the love and everything.